Sharing files across platforms has always been an issue when you are not on Apple ecosystem, mostly because of slower speeds and unreliable connections. A lot of attempts have been made to make something similar on Android as AirDrop on Apple. So, here are some of the better alternatives to transfer files across platforms wirelessly as fast as possible. All of these require the devices to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, so I've included the ones that I use on a daily basis. ToffeeShare and Snapdrop are the two websites where you can drop your files and share them. No need for any app installation, quick and easy. For ToffeeShare, open toffeeshare.com, select your files, and it will create a link which you will have to share to the device you want to share files with, or scan the QR and it will start downloading. For Snapdrop, open snapdrop.net on both the devices, tap on the circle that shows the name of the other device, select your files, and start sharing. Both the websites say no size limit. Can't confirm that, but yeah, I've tried 10-20 gig files and it works just fine. Both have similar speeds. ToffeeShare might provide a little bit more stable and higher speeds at times in my experience, but Snapdrop is a convenient as you don't have to share any link of sorts or scan QR to connect devices. But by far the most quick, easy and reliable option has been LocalSend. It is an open source app available on Play Store. The app looks clean and minimal with no ads as of yet. Pairing is super fast. You open the app on both the devices and it shows all the devices connected to the same Wi-Fi. Transfer speeds are 2 to 3 times more than the other sites and more stable too. I tested transferring a 1 gig file. LocalSend took 6 minutes. The other sites took more than 8 minutes. With LocalSend, you can directly drop and share folders, which is a big plus for me. That being said, all of these options apply a slight compression, which is not noticeable to me at least when it comes to quality. For example, transferring 11 MB file reduces the size to 10.2 megabytes. All of these are peer-to-peer and work on Android, iOS, Windows, Mac and Linux. Also, I have not included Nearby Share or Quick Share as lately it's been a little unreliable. So let me know if there are better alternatives to these in the comments below. Leave a like if you want, and that's been it. Thanks for watching and hopefully catch you in the next one.